delicious cookies. This is made from zucchini. Look at that. Wow, if you want to know how to make it, let's make it now, guys. Hello everyone, welcome sa aking home cooking. For today's video, guys, we will make a zucchini cookies. Ayan, so ito yung aking mga ingredients for the day. So ito yung zucchini na tinatawag, guys. Ayan, so mahaba, diba? Ayan, yellow siya. Ngayon, hindi ko na yan gagawin kasi mayroon na akong nag-rated na eto. So this is 9 cups. So what we're going to do now is mimix natin yung ating wet